Roku's long-term stock target price, $605 per share? Yes, and I'll tell you why. This $80 stock could climb over 650% by 2026, and how one cable killer technology is set to potentially catapult its growth in the years ahead. Hi, I'm Amber Lancaster, and I am back with a new edition of Megatrend Thursdays right here on the Winning Investor Daily YouTube channel, home of Ian King's Strategic Fortune monthly research service. Thanks for tuning in. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you do like the content of this video, as it does help support the channel. And just know while you're at it, you can please smash that subscribe button. Now, according to ARK Invest's open source research and model, Roku's stock price could reach $605, compounding at an annual rate of 53% during the next 5 years. Now, this is an amazing projection. Ian, I, and the team see Roku as an Industry 2.0 entertainment disruptor. Think of it as the other Netflix. It's not. The next Netflix is the other side of Netflix. It's the next disruption in entertainment, disruption to the tune of $2.3 trillion in the global entertainment and media market. And unlike Netflix, this company's growth is ahead of it. It's not behind it. You see, Roku TV is TV on your terms. Roku is the #1 streaming TV platform as measured by hours streamed in the US and Canada, as well as Mexico, and is on track to become, quote, the dominant purpose-built TV operating system, actually connecting consumers, content providers, and advertisers, end quote. With on-demand streaming services such as Netflix gaining popularity, we can watch a great range of program while on the go, meaning that screen time is no longer limited to time that we spend in our homes in front of a TV set. A mega trend shift is happening in traditional television entertainment. So by 2025, estimates suggest that only 61 million US households will actually pay for traditional TV and cable services, down from over 100 million as of 2014. We see Roku's mega potential, and you know who else sees it? Well, Kathy Wood and ARK Invest, they see it too. Now, though Roku did miss its second quarter 2022 EPS estimates as reported in July, on the 28th of July, tweeted in response that Roku's business is still intact. In fact, the company grew total net revenue 18% year over year, and active user accounts gained 1.8 million in the second quarter, reaching 63.1 million. The current macro environment is having what we hope is a temporary effect on its advertising business. But Roku is still the leader in the connected TV streaming market. And if you're not yet a subscriber to Strategic Fortunes, Ian King's flagship monthly newsletter, well, you should be. Click the bull icon right here over my shoulder to learn more on how you can sign up for his service. And I can say this because Ian actually shared a nugget of information this week. And he said that, quote, Roku's streaming market will continue to grow. I think traditional cable is probably done in the next 2 to 3 years. The main catalyst for this is the growing 5G revolution. If you sign up with a wireless cell provider with a 5G plan and you're in the right location, they'll give you a 5G home broadband service to replace what you have. So if you're paying a monthly fee for your internet as part of your mobile plan, this is going to be like a big thing this decade. You'll be able to get this data from 5G, which will be faster than broadband. Just put a router in your home and it will pick up the 5G signal and send it all to your connected devices. So when that transition happens, because most people bundle their cable with their broadband, you're getting rid of your cable and broadband and replacing it with your wireless cell provider. Now, all you just need is an entertainment streaming service like Roku, which will incentivize people to ditch their cable set boxes, or as we say, cut the cord, and just go with streaming services. So 5G will be in homes instead of cable And I actually look forward to a more prosperous future with 5G technology. Isn't that something? So that's why we're bullish on Roku longer term, winning investor nation. So checking ARKK's holdings on Bloomberg, I can tell you that Kathy Wood is bullish on Roku too, adding more shares over the past quarter and now touting a stock position valued at $775.5 million. So if you haven't added Roku to your portfolio, well, consider doing so. Connected streaming is a mega trend to follow, and evolving 5G technology will help us get there. Now, to gain access to more mega trend stock idea recommendations in Ian's Strategic Fortunes newsletter, well, please click the bull icon right here over my shoulder. Now is the time to get into these mega trends at lower prices and ride the potential wave of gains in the years ahead. And remember that you can follow Ian and me on Twitter. Ian is at Invest with Ian, and I am at A Lancaster Guru for all your real-time take on market and mega trend action. So thanks so much for tuning in this week. I wish you a wonderful week ahead, and until next time, take care.